Oh, my battery's low.
Give me what, nigga? What?
There's so many.
That's weird.
So many birds.
Oh.
Well, actually, so many crows.
For what? Oh. He gave you the money for the headphones? He gave you the money for the headphones? Oh.
Dang! All going on that tree.
Well, why are you giving them the receipt? Oh. Dang!
Whoa! Holy shit!
Where are these clothes coming from? I'm gonna be mad if they start eating us.
Oh, like on Resident Evil, remember?
If they start pecking
The
us.
infected birds were like, they're eating at the lady. Remember?
That would be
On
weird.
Resident Evil.
That would be weird. I swear to God, that would be so weird. We just stopped videotaping the damn